The Joy FM, middays with Jerry Williams.
Heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak.
I must admit that when I first saw this news, that's what was going through my mind. Heaven, I'm in heaven. Well, I will be. Too obviously I'm going to be in the real heaven, but I'm in heaven here on earth because of what was just announced. Hostess and Walmart are teaming up to bring us, are you ready for this? Are you sitting down? Pull off the side of the road. Deep fried Twinkies in a box. They'll be in the freezer section. You got to cook them, but they're deep fried Twinkies in a box. Walmart's going to have them exclusively for the first year. After that, I don't know. I can't find a release date anywhere. I'm racking the internet, burning it up, trying to find when these are going to be in the stores. I guess a trip to Walmart is in order to find deep fried Twinkies.
Heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find